Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Kit and I am a vintage home decor reseller. On today's video, we are shopping in Sandy, Oregon, which is a little bit east of Portland. And I'm going to an estate sale and the Sandy Goodwill. And then also at the end, I'll have the haul from that shopping as well as some additional items that I got in Portland. So stay to the end. Okay, so it is a Friday and I decided to come to an estate sale. I wasn't here right when it opened, so we'll see, what there is. But after that, I'm gonna go to a Goodwill because this is in Sandy, so a little ways out east. So anyway, hopefully I'll find something. Kind of a pretty vase. I like this because it's wood. All right, so I had a little bit of luck in there. Some of the prices were kind of high, and some of the items that I saw in the pictures on the website, of course, those were gone, which I expected. But I did get a couple of things. First, I got this cute little dish, and it's just adorable. And it says it is from Bavaria. And I thought it was just super cute. It has, some wear on it, but it doesn't seem to be chipped anywhere or anything. So I thought it was really adorable, and I got it for $1, so that was good. The other things I got 3 scarves. One is this one, which is absolutely gorgeous. I love the colors. I might keep this one for myself, but it is from Scotland, and it is made of lamb's wool and Angora. They had some beautiful scarves in there. I got this one, which is made in Germany, and it is also just really soft, and it is made out of virgin wool and Angora. And then the other one I got is this one, and it still has the tag on it, and it is wool from Ireland. So just gorgeous, gorgeous scarves. I'll probably sell those on Poshmark. And then this cute little dish from Bavaria I will put on my Etsy shop. So that will be linked below. Okay, so here is the Goodwill in Sandy. This is pretty. Yankee candle, so it's new. think about this one. Let's see. Looks like a toll tray down there. That is really heavy. That's pretty. It's kind of cool. I don't know if I want to pay $10 for it though. He's cute. I did Google him, and he's probably only worth about $12 or so, but I do think he's adorable. The price is $4.99. Some pottery. This looks like a walnut shell. It's interesting. There's some stained glass, which is supposed to be popular right now. $10, so it's pretty. This is pretty. $6.99. It's really lovely. There's a Cloisonne dish. That's a good price for $3.99. Get that. And I picked this up, and I assume it's a candle holder, but I don't know what this is. I'm gonna have to Google that as well. These are beautiful. $2.99. I think I'll get those. Alright, so I just finished up at the Sandy Goodwill, and I got a few things, so I'm just want to show you real quick. I got this really pretty Cloisonne dish, and this really pretty Robin's A Big Blue on the back. It was $3.99, so I thought that was just really pretty. I also got this, which I had to look it up and see exactly what it is. It is a candle holder, and I don't know. I still need to do some research, but it definitely was an interesting piece and very different. So I thought someone might like something that's really cool. So this was $4.99. Next, I got this little sculpture, I guess you would call it. It was, the regular price was $19.99, but blue tag was the color for today, so I got it for $9.99. It's pretty heavy. It's definitely marble, and this, I'm not sure if it's brass or say it's probably brass. I thought it was really interesting. I did a Google search and there were some similar pieces with pretty good prices, and you know, it's in pretty good shape. There aren't any major chips. I think it just needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but anyway, it was a little bit of a gamble, but I think it's really cool. And then the last things, I got a set of 4 of these really beautiful, I believe these are Japanese lacquerware. They were $2.99 each. The inside is just gorgeous. And I believe that these, when I did a Google search on them, I believe that it's like a cocktail set. And I did see some that had a matching, I saw a matching tray and also a matching, I don't know what you would call it, but that would have the drinks in it. So I don't know, but I thought they were really beautiful, and I think they can command a fairly good price. So hopefully these will, you know, sell well. I think they're just absolutely gorgeous. So that's it for today. Thank you so much, and check out my Etsy shop, which will be linked below, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, so you just saw the sort of recap of what I got in Sandy, and now I want to show you what I got in Portland. This was at 2 different Goodwills, the one on 6th Avenue and the other on Halsey. So let me just show you those real quick. I got this Indian Bankura horse, and it is brass with enamel over it. I think it's really cool, and I paid, I think, $4.99 for him. Alright, so I got these really beautiful candle holders. I haven't, removed the tag or cleaned them yet, but these can be used as bookends, and of course there is a space here for a pillar, candles, or bodas. Those, they were half off, so instead of $2.99 each, I got both of them for $2.99, and they will be on my Etsy. I picked up this really pretty silver plate bud vase, and I got it for, I think, $1.99? Yeah, $1.99. And I'm still trying to get more information about this. It looks Scandinavian to me, but I'm not sure, so we'll see once I do a little more research on that one. And then the last thing I want to show you guys is this really pretty painted folk art lidded container, and I think that it might be from Russia, but I'm not really sure. It could be from a number of different countries, possibly from another Eastern European country, but I thought it was really great, and the details on the flowers are really nice. They're very, very pretty, and I thought it was just cool. So I got this for $6.99. Well, thank you for watching the video today. Be sure and check my Etsy shop. I've put up a bunch of new things lately, and I'm getting on a better, momentum in terms of putting things on my Etsy site. So check that out. The link is below, of course, and I'll see you in the next video.